Blwyddyn Newydd Dda. Happy New Year. Noswaith Dda. Good evening. It's just a short video to wish you and your loved ones, and hopefully that you've been with your family over these holidays. You have a fresh start to a new year. I'm asking you, what is your New Year's resolution? A ddyniad of Blwyddyn Newydd. A ddyniad. A resolution. A promise to oneself. Mine is that I will move south, and that gives me an opportunity to tell you a little story. And a change in direction, which is apt for this time of the year and for this channel, because it has to do with how I perceive Welshness and Wales and fy nghymreictod, my own Welshness. So, at the end of 2019, I had run a bit of a shipwreck in terms of luck. I'd had a bit of bad luck. And I came back north to a friend. It's raining outside, as it often does in Wales. But I came back up north and lived with my friend. And I thought this was going to be only a few months and then I would return back south. But Corona hit and I broke my foot, and I was in a state, but it's good, and it allowed me to see the flaws in Welsh nationalism, living with my Welsh nationalist friend, and some of the, not in his part, but in Welsh nationalism generally, the ideological hatreds which do exist, and the prejudices, and it opened me up to, I don't want to say British unionism or British nationalism, though in a sense, yes, but it changed my outlook on Welshness. A lot of it was seeing Welsh nationalists align with groups like Sinn Féin and causes against Israel, and that took a lot out of me to say, well, what if I had taken the wrong road by going down this path? And I did, in large part because of my friend there. I did change my direction and a lot of my views away from those that he had. And I hope to move back south and renew myself. And a new year is a good time to say that. And refound my conception of Welshness. What is Welshness without being immersed in total into that maddening ideology that a lot of Welsh nationalists have? How do I grow my Welshness from this point forward? And this channel will be exploring that with you. And, sorry, my voice. This channel will be focusing more on exploring Wales and Britain generally. The beautiful landscapes, yr ieithoedd, the languages, the histories. And I hope that you'll come along with me for that. And by the time my next New Year's message rolls around, I should be certainly living in a different place, back, not to my former self, but a better self. And I also owe a big thank you to my now 7 Patreons. Join me if you wish. Patreon is more of a, if you wish to contribute. I'm not posting much on there yet. I will in the future. It's just the beginnings of an operation. And so thank you to those 7 who are helping me to build this channel. And all of you who have liked, subscribed, or even just watched my videos or left a comment. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much indeed. You help build this by every video you watch. It means that this is possible to become a full-time job one day, and that's a bit of hope, because being able to do something you love for your living. That is a fine New Year's resolution indeed. But this New Year's, my resolution is to move back south. And maybe by the time the next New Year's comes around, we'll be able to make that resolution of making this my full-time job if enough of you come with me.